Trev doesn't have anything.
I need to heat him up for. That's a 4-wheel drive.
It is a 4-wheel. We'll be showing this video at the Vine on Sunday.